Good morning. I'm all bags over here. Just woke up. It is 5 in the morning, so getting ready to load up the Subaru and head into the mountains. So this video is going to be more vlog style compared to my previous ones. I haven't done anything like this before, so hopefully it turns out pretty good. Okay, and now I need to go pack because I did not last night. So just gonna quickly throw everything together and then we're off. Jay says these are the best wings in Breck. We're about to find out. Now we're gonna shoot some videos of the Subaru. We're in the mountains right now, just kind of like outside Breckenridge. Have the Jaybird over here. Jaybird, say hi.
Hey.
Alright, so I just got home and it is 6 p.m. already, so I'm gonna hop in the hot tub and go to bed. So good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It was such a good day, but I figured it would be better to just catch up with you guys in the morning and kind of give you like the rundown of the whole day, and also like talk about my Subaru. So yesterday was perfect. I could not have asked for a better day, and especially with my Subaru, I am constantly impressed with that car. I just love how it's a super sharp looking car, and it's just a lot of fun driving and zipping through the mountains, but you can also still be like super confident in winter conditions and driving in a lot of snow. But this was my first time really being able to take it out into the snow since I bought it in the spring. Last year I wasn't really able to play with it in the snow too much. I've really only had like summer driving, but I really couldn't have asked for a better day. We went up through Denver and then took I-70 over. If you're familiar with Colorado, I-70 is usually just a complete nightmare. There's always traffic, there's always an accident, but we were able to just cruise on through. And then we went up through the Loveland Pass, which was beautiful. There was a lot of snow, but we did get some good views. It's back to the Subaru. So I didn't push it too hard just because, you know, it's my first time taking it out in the snow. I didn't have like extreme confidence on the tires quite yet, and we were also 3 hours from home. So if anything were to happen, I didn't want to be like completely screwed. I'm super impressed with the Continental ExtremeContact tires that I have on. It's an all-season tire, but it felt like it was like a super grippy winter tire. I had absolutely no issues at all. I don't think I lost control once. Of course, I did drift around a little bit and pull the e-brake a time or two, but it is supposed to snow this week, so maybe I'll be able to get out and play a little bit more and work on my drift game a little bit, because it definitely needs it. But like I said, super impressed with the tires. They're probably my favorite ones now. But I also think the added weight helped too. I think that was like a problem I had seen a lot with my WRX when I think about it. Like even though that the WRX is still all-wheel drive and I had really good all-season tires on that too, I would occasionally notice that just with the weight, it would still like slide around a little bit. But the STI, I could definitely notice a pretty big difference as far as like handling in the snow, which is really exciting to me. But I also think that the STI is heavier than the WRX. It also might just because, you know, that big wing weighing it down. But really, I just love having that confidence and then also having that complete control when driving in the mountains and driving in winter conditions and just kind of being able to go anywhere. But that's probably all going to change here soon because I did order coilovers. So that install video will be coming out this month, which is exciting. I do feel like there's been a big improvement from my first like intro to my WRX STI versus like the intro video to our Hellcat. So still figuring it out. It'll be interesting to see where I'm at in a year from now. But as always, your feedback is much appreciated. I like to know like what you guys want to see more of, what you like, what you maybe don't like, but I do read all of your comments and I try to respond as best as I can. I love it when you guys reach out on Instagram too. It's kind of cool to connect and learn about the cars that you have and what you'd like to see. But I hope you have a wonderful week and I will see you again soon.